Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss law of demand. Already I have discussed law of demand in previous video. In spite of I am going to discuss law of demand because in this video I am going to discuss table and curve. In previous video I have discussed only definition of law of demand and table only. In this video I am going to discuss table as well as curve, both. Okay, how will you understand? I'm going to discuss it. Please see it. This is it is most important chapter of class 12 IC examinations. This is chapter 2 of this book. You can see it. Okay, economics class 12 IC, and it is also most important chapter in senior classes, become CSCPT, etc. And this is page number 15, 16 and 17 of your book. 15, 16 and 17 of this book. Page number 15 and 16 and 17. Okay? Try to understand it. Law of demand. Demand schedule of an individual consumer. Okay? This is demand schedule, table 1. Commodity, price, quantity. This is commodity and this is price and this is quantity. Okay? If price 5 rupees, then demand is quantity demand 10. If price is 4, then quantity demand 15. If price is 3, then quantity demand 20. It means what? If price will decrease, then demand will increase. If price will increase, then demand will price will increase, then demand will decrease. It means what? It means what? Whenever you will purchase anything from the market, then you will see the price of that product. Price is most important things for us. After seeing the price, we purchase it from the market. Whenever price will low, then I will purchase more and more commodities. When price will high, then I will purchase little quantity. The price is most important things for us. Okay? So trying to understand. 5. When price was 5 rupees, then quantity demanded 10. Okay? When price 5, this is price, then quantity demanded 10. When price 4, then quantity demanded 20. When price 4, quantity demanded 15. Price 4, quantity demanded 15. Price 3, quantity demanded 20. Price 3, quantity demanded 20. Okay? Price 2, quantity demanded 35. Price 2, quantity demanded 35. Okay? Price 1, quantity demanded 60. Quantity demanded 60. This is figure 1, demand curve. It is quantity demanded. Try to understand again. Try to understand it again. Okay? When price of commodity X is 5 per unit, if X is 5 per unit, a consumer purchases 10 units of the commodity. When the price falls 4, okay, when the price falls 4, he purchased 15 units. How much? 15 units of commodity. Similarly, when the price further falls, the quantity demanded by him goes on rising unit at price 1. At price 1, okay, the quantity demanded by him rise 16 units. Rise 60 units. Okay. The above table depicts an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. As the price of commodity X goes on rising, okay, its demand goes on falling. So we have understood what is demand schedule of an individual consumer. Individual consumer means I am talking about only one consumer, not all. Okay? And market demand means I am talking whole market. Okay? Try to understand market demand. This is table 2, market demand schedule. Figure 2, market demand curve. This is curve and this is table. Okay? Market demand schedule. If price of any product was 5 rupees, then quantity demanded was 30. Price 5, quantity demand was 30. Price 5, quantity demand was 30. Okay. When price was 5 rupees, then P is the customer who purchased 10 units, and Q is the customer who purchased 8 units, and R is purchasing 12 units. I am talking about market demand curve. Then whenever I will talk market demand curve, then I will add it 10, 8 and 12. All I will add it, then 30. 10, 8 and 12, 30. Okay. Then again price falls 5 to 4. Then I am purchasing 10 to 15 units. P consumer purchasing 15, Q consumer purchasing 12, and R consumer purchasing 18. I am talking about market demand curve. That's why we will add it 15, 12, 18, 45. Okay. Then price remains false. Again false 4 to 3. Then P consumer purchasing 20, Q 17 and R 23. Then we will add it 20, 17 and 23, 60. Again false 3 to 2. Then P 35, Q 25, R 40. All we will add it 100. Okay. Again 1, 60, 35, 45. We will add it 140. Okay. When price was rupees 5, then total market demand curve was 30. When price rupees 5, then total market demand curve was 30. When price was rupees 4, market demand curve was 45. Price 4, market demand curve was 45. When price was rupees 3, market demand curve 60. 3, market demand curve 60. When price was rupees 2, market demand curve 100. Market demand curve 100. When price was rupees 1, market demand curve was 140. This is 140. Okay. Try to understand it again. Try to understand it again. If we plot the market demand schedule on a graph, okay, we get the market demand curve figure to show the market demand curve for commodity X. The market demand curve, like individual demand curve, slopes downward to the right because it is nothing but the lateral summation of individual demand curve. Besides, as the price of the goods falls, it is very likely that new buyers will enter into the market. New buyers will enter into the market, which will further rise to the quantity demanded of the goods. Okay. यानी क्या टू अंडरस्टैंड इन हिंदी, यदि प्राइस किसी प्रोडक्ट का कम होगा, यदि प्राइस किसी प्रोडक्ट का कम होगा, 5 रुपया से 4 रुपया हो गया, तो हम क्या करेंगे जो है 30 के जगह पहले हम 30 लेते थे, अब 45 लेंगे जो है। फिर प्राइस कम हुआ, ठीक है, तो हम 45 की जगह 60 लेंगे जो है। इंडिविजुअल कर का मतलब हुआ हम किसी एक आदमी के बारे में बात करेंगे जो है। अब मार्केट डिमांड कर मतलब पूरे मार्केट के बारे में बात करेंगे। वी आर टॉकिंग टू होल मार्केट। इंडिविजुअल मतलब केवल एक इंसान के बारे में बात करेंगे जो है कि एक इंसान जो कितना परचेस किया जो है, ठीक है, प्राइस कम होने के बाद। अब मार्केट मतलब जो है पी बोल के बंदा कितना परचेस किया, क्यू बोल के बंदा कितना परचेस किया, आर बोल के बंदा कितना परचेस किया, टोटल कितने लोग परचेस किए जो है, ठीक है। तो सबको जो हम लोग ऐड कर देंगे जो है, तो ये मार्केट डिमांड कर्व हो जाएगा। प्राइस 5 था तो ये 30 हुआ टोटल मार्केट डिमांड कर्व, यानी पी क्यू और आर को क्या कर दिया, ऐड कर दिया जो है, ठीक है। प्राइस 5 रुपया था तो टोटल मार्केट डिमांड कर्व 30 हुआ। प्राइस 5 रुपया था, टोटल मार्केट डिमांड कर्व 30 हुआ। प्राइस 4 रुपया था, टोटल मार्केट डिमांड कर्व 45 हुआ। ऐसे करके हम लोग इसको करेंगे। तो इन दिस क्लास वी हैव लर्नड हाउ टू ड्रॉ कर्व ऑफ market demand curve and individual demand curve and how to make table of market demand curve and individual demand curve. We have learned. Next class I will discuss next topic. Thanks for watching this video. Try to take a screenshot of this video.